Hi, this is Joe.
And this is Vicky.
Never get that right. And we're the two natural ladies.
We are the two natural ladies.
Back to two, not four. See previous video if you're not sure what we're talking about. So what are we talking about today? We're talking about two natural ladies, personalised service and advice. Lucky you.
Yeah, it's actually a lot of people ask us lots of questions, and we are offering for people to have a Zoom personalised advice session, guidance on what you need. And it's not about us selling you all our products. It's actually about looking at what your needs are, what you want, how you operate your household, because we all operate our households differently. Some people want just 3 products to do everything. Others want, you know, an individual product for everything, and we can do both.
We can. That sounds good, Jo. I like that.
So,
Why
do you like that?
So you just imagine, like we are now, but your face in between. We can start being like the Brady Bunch. But yeah, we do. We personally, we like to be minimalist about things, and our product range is so beautiful as far as you can actually replace a whole heap of products just with a couple. But we do have specialised products if you need and want them. And just some people would like a cream cleanser but don't necessarily need a dedicated toilet cleaner. So up to you, really. But we have 30 years of experience and knowledge in us, and we want to share. So, hey, Jo.
That knowledge. I'm looking for the knowledge. Where is it? It's in us.
It's somewhere in there. Can you see behind me? I've actually got my oil vaporizer on. It smells delicious, and I've got the Wellbeing oil in there. And I've actually just had an order for the Wellbeing oil, and I don't have any more stock. So, do you have any?
Oh, I do actually. I do happen to have one.
Can you pass it?
Can I pass it?
Oh.
Am I doing it the right way?
Thanks, Jo. I'll just take it out of the box, and here I have it now out of the box.
I'm so pleased.
Isn't technology amazing these days?
Just incredible.
But I just love the smell of this. So neither of us got our glasses on, have we? So we're not quite sure.
I just happen to have a pair right here.
Okay, will you tell us what's in it?
I will. So it is a floral lavender blend with uplifting citrus and a hint of peppermint to encourage a sense of harmony, balance and well-being. And lemon, so it's got lavender oil, grapefruit oil, lemon oil and peppermint oil.
Yes, I'm uplifted and relaxed, as those names suggest. So,
and you know, the thing with this too is talking about, you know, personal guidance and what you want in your household. Oils can be really important because it does give you that sense of well-being. And you know, we find with kids, it can help them feel okay. Yeah. So we've got lots of different oils that you can use, and we'd be more than happy to have a chat with you about what you feel would be appropriate based on what's going on in your household as well. So,
well, particularly these times when we're all at home and things are a bit strange and different and new, it's a really it'd be very reassuring thing to have some nice smells around the house.
Absolutely. So please contact us. You can do that via, you can message us on our Facebook page. You can go to twonaturalladies.com.au. You can email us twonaturalladies@gmail.com. So whichever way works, please contact us.
It'll be up or below or somewhere around this video. We'll put all our contact details in.
Okay.
We look forward to having a fun chat.
Yes.
We're saying goodbye?
Sure.